Hello everyone, I'm happy to announce that DrumPi is now freely available for download at drumpi.com. For those who don't know what DrumPi is, it is this little box right here, and it connects to your drum module. You can then access its user interface from any Wi-Fi device. But what is it? It is a MIDI expander, basically the equivalent of having a laptop with a VST and an audio interface, all in one box though. And because of that, you're gonna get much lower latency, it's a lot cheaper and more practical for gigging. You can easily build one yourself with components from Amazon or any other electronic shop of your choice. Then you need to install DrumPi on it. Easy stuff, any SD card adapter will do the job. It will probably take you 10 minutes to build the box and 10 minutes to install DrumPi on it.